Hey fam, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get started with Chess Game Creator in your projects. The first thing we need to do is install Chess Game Creator to the engine. So click the install to engine button and you'll see this pop up to choose what engine version you want. I'm going to choose 5.0 and just click the install button. So right now the Chess Game Creator plugin is being installed to our Unreal Engine, in this case 5.0. Once the install to engine button reappears, that means Chess Game Creator installation is now complete and it's now in your version of Unreal Engine. So I've just created a blank project named my chess project. I will be integrating Chess Game Creator into this project. If you already have an existing project, you can use that one as well. Because Chess Game Creator is an engine plugin, we will need to navigate to the engine plugins in our content browser. Click the settings button on the content tab in order to open the options to show engine content, and then make sure that that's checked. Just open it again to make sure that you have show engine content and also show plugin content. Now let us go to our plugins tab and enable Chess Game Creator. Once you open up the plugins tab, you just need to search for Chess Game Creator by typing in CGC, and that will pop up Chess Game Creator. Once Chess Game Creator pops up, all you need to do is click on the checkbox to enable it. Once you've clicked on the checkbox, you'll get a prompt to restart your project. Click on that Restart Now button, and then your project will be restarted. Now that the project has been restarted with Chess Game Creator enabled, let us get our configuration files from Discord. Navigate to the Chess Game Creator Discord with the link below and get your CGC config folder. This folder contains your collision and input backup files. In order to implement Chess Game Creator, you would need to navigate to the Project Settings tab and then go to Maps and Modes. In Maps and Modes, we're going to change the game mode to BP Chess Game Mode. Since this is a blank project, I'm going to choose from one of the maps provided in Chess Game Creator for my editor startup map and my game default map. I'm also going to update my game instance class to BP Chess Game Instance. If you are implementing CGC into an existing project, you can opt to make your game instance and game mode classes children of Chess Game Instance and Chess Game Mode. Next up, import the collision backup file that you just got from Discord. The changes will not completely apply until you restart your project, but we're going to do that after we import the input backup as well. Navigate to the input subfolder in your project settings and then import the input backup that you just got from Discord. If you already have input mappings in your project, then you can just copy the content of the inputs backup into your own inputs.ini file. Expand the action and axis mapping drop-downs to make sure all your inputs were properly copied over. Restart your project after you're done with this. Load up the splash screen map and press play. You should see a blank screen. This is where your splash screen will go for your game intro. I will cover how to set up your splash screen in a future tutorial. If you successfully load into this screen, that means your game instance was set up properly. I'm going to input my display name and I will select a game mode. I'm going to play versus computer and I'm going to set a 30-minute time limit. And then I'm going to select classical chess. If you load into your map and it looks like this, that's still fine. It means that shaders are compiling. We want to make sure we can interact with the squares to verify that our collision backup was imported properly. If you are able to move your piece successfully, that means you're good to go and you're ready for the AI integration tutorial.